how to get QR code on Microsoft Authenticator. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you get QR code on Microsoft Authenticator. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you will have to open any browser on your device. So I'm using the Chrome browser. And now from here in the search field, you will have to type for Microsoft.com. So you have to browse that website. And now from here, after you sign in with your Microsoft account, you will have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner of that section. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you will have to click on my Microsoft account. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like security. So simply tap on the security. Alright, so after that, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like add a security option. So simply you have to tap on this additional security option. And now from here, you'll have to scroll down and find the options like add a new way to sign in or verify. So simply you have to tap on it. And now from here, you'll have to go with the options like use an app. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here you'll have to click on that link which says set up a different authenticator app. So simply tap on this. And now from here you can easily generate a QR code for your authentication apps. So this is the easiest and simplest method to generate a QR code on Microsoft Authenticator. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.